You have Mark Anthony. You know what Mark Anthony, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mark Anthony, Jennifer Lopez.
Yeah.
Okay, Jennifer Lopez, she has an apartment here.
Oh.
Yeah, she has an apartment. J-Lo is from Puerto Rico. You heard?
Yeah.
She's from Puerto Rico, right?
Yeah, yeah,
She's very popular in the United States.
yeah.
Okay, she like it. She like it Puerto Rico. She love Puerto Rico. She buy an apartment over here. Okay, you see the white apartment over there?
Yeah.
And the penthouse. You have 3 floors together. On the left, guy, on the left, the white building, the blue window.
Yeah.
This is Jennifer Lopez penthouse.
Oh.
Yeah, she paid $4 million for the penthouse.
And like the whole thing?
The whole no penthouse.
The
only.
Oh, okay.
No,
the
whole
top.
thing is billion,
Oh, okay.
more money. Okay, it's one apartment, $500,000, $1 million, $3 million. It's depends how big. You understand? Okay, you see on the right, it's a more medium class area. It's a more medium class. You have medium low. You understand me? You have
Yeah.
different classes. Everybody people work. You understand me?
Yeah.
The minimum salary here is $8.50 now for 1 hour. You understand me? The sales tax, you wanna buy anything, you pay 11.5. You understand me? But you pay an 11.5, you pay 2 taxes. You pay Puerto Rican taxes and United States taxes. The reason Puerto Rico is association, you have 3.5 to United States. The rest of the point is to Puerto Rico. You follow me now?
So cái chồng
So
này
everybody pay taxes.
tế mà rung tiếp tia đi
So
luôn.
we have one difference in United States and Puerto Rico. United States, you pay the property taxes, right? In Puerto Rico, you don't pay property taxes. Okay, you don't pay the second house, you pay 30%. But on the first house, you don't pay your taxes. You need to leave. You live right there, you don't pay. You follow me, guys? Yeah, can you see around here? This is the neighborhood and the island here. Okay, this from reggaeton music. You know what is Daddy Yankee?
Yeah.
Ella le gusta la gasolina. You heard?
Yeah.
He's from Puerto Rico. He's very popular. He's from the hood right there. Yeah, he's very popular reggaeton. He have Wisin y Yandel. He have Bad Bunny. You heard Bad Bunny?
Yeah.
Yeah, Bad Bunny. He have the concert the last week.
Oh, okay.
Everybody goes sleep and the line want to see the Bad Bunny. The ticket's $400, $200.